Oh my god! Oh my god! No way! Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm really excited to bring you along on today's adventure. I'm currently 2 hours in to hiking to a pretty remote lake where I'll be spending the next 3 days camping and fishing with my buddy Adam. It's supposed to be really nice weather the next couple days, sunny skies. It's currently 6 degrees according to the dashboard on my truck, and it's pretty crazy to be in a t-shirt and track pants in the middle of February, but we've been working pretty hard. There's a lot of hills on this trail. How's it going, dude?
Not bad, not bad. Sort of the type of trail that makes you wish you had a snow machine. Good hike.
Yeah, it's been a grind. According to the watch, we did a little detour just to scout, but we're at 8 kilometers right now, so it's been a day so far. Looking forward to getting to the lake for sure. I think I see it. Oh yeah, that's awesome. We made it to the lake. We just did a little bit of scouting and we found a camp spot on the map that we plan to go to. So we're hiking across the lake to get to it right now. And hopefully there's a nice spot to set up our tent.
Found our camping spot. Should do. We'll have quick access to the lake. We'll set our tents up right behind where Nick is.
Right over there.
Not a bad spot. Should get a decent sunset. Not bad, not bad.
There it is, the sun just setting over there. Started collecting wood. Can make a fire so we can boil water, get dinner going. Adam's just finishing up the tent. Just kind of walking around, cutting off dead branches, dead trees. Hopefully fill the pulk, because we're cooking steaks for dinner tonight.
Just finished up with the sleep system here. Tent's all set up. A little snug in here, but honestly, not too bad. I think we're both with negative 10-degree bags. Nick's processing some wood, so I'm gonna set up the firebox, get an area where we can have our fire, and then we can start making dinner.
All right, this is the yield from the firewood collection. A lot of small stuff is very dry, but we got some decent chunks in here. Should last us the night at least. Got Adam over here all prepped up to get it going.
Have some char cloth wrapped in a cotton ball with Vaseline, and then just a couple little flakes of birch bark. So that's gonna catch the spark from the flint and steel, and then we'll transfer it into kindling and just add fuel from there. So see if we can't get this fire going. Yeah, and then from here, it's just about making sure you have your fuel available to just keep adding. Luckily, we got pretty lucky with a nice standing dead tree that we were able to take down, so all of our wood is quite nice.
It's very, very dry. And we're gonna be cooking on the firebox this evening. Firebox is super nice. It's a little heavy to take in, but because we had the pulks, the weight wasn't a huge issue. And it just contains the heat really well. And you don't have to process as much wood because it's such a small contained space. And once you get the fire going, you can put a grill on top so we can have our pot for boiling water. Then we're gonna cook the steaks on the cast iron right on top of the firebox as well. That is ripping right now. That wood is so dry. So we're cooking up some steaks for dinner. Some Australian strip loin. Oh yeah. I even brought a meat thermometer. Sorry, Dad. Hope you didn't need it tonight.
He did indeed need it tonight.
Oh, look at that crust.
Well, that'll definitely do.
Got the cheese buns on the grill. Gonna make some sandwiches. There we go. Steak sandwich on cheese bread. How's it tasting? Mmm. Simple, but delicious. We had a pretty chill night by the fire after dinner. Just chatting and making a game plan for tomorrow. The plan is to be fishing before sunrise. And according to the weather app, that is 8:05 for where we are right now. What's the verdict for tomorrow?
Get out, catch fish, repeat all day long, baby.
We went out last weekend, but it was minus 26. This guy got the only trout.
Yeah.
It was a nice one, but yeah, it's only going to -2 overnight. So that's going to be quite the treat. All right, we're in the tent now. Ready for bed. It's like 10:40. We're going to wake up at 7:20. We got the alarm set. We'll be on the lake before sunrise. But yeah, we will see you in the morning. Good morning from the tent. Slept pretty well last night. I was warm the whole night. That definitely wasn't a problem. I even had to unzip the sleeping bag just to cool off a little bit. So no complaints here.
Yeah, sleep was actually unreal last night, so no complaints at all.
We're gonna get dressed, get our outer layers on, and then go fishing. I couldn't find a depth chart for the lake, so we've been drilling holes and putting the depth finder in here and there, but we're sitting right at 10 feet here. First rod's in. And yeah, reading 10.3 on the Humminbird. So Adam's getting set up over there. And yeah, it's a little cloudy, unfortunately, so I don't know how good of a sunrise we're gonna get, but hopefully we get some fish. If we don't have an orange sunrise, I'd love to see some orange fish bellies. So we're on the board. Not what we wanted. It's a long, skinny sucker. Look at this guy. So this guy is going back. Yo, I got one. Oh my God, another sucker, dude. Are you kidding me? Just went right back down. We want some trout. Oh, oh my God. Yeah, I'm on. Oh my God. Big head shakes. Oh my God. 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 Look at this fish, dude. Hold on. Get the hook out. That hook was not coming out.
That is a wagon, dude.
Absolute hog.
That is such a big... Dude, no way, this is a trout.
There we go. Oh my God. Look at this thing. We're gonna be eating good tonight, dude.
Wow.
Wow. That's actually shocking. We worked for this fish, man. We've been waiting all day for something like this.
Yep.
Look at those colors. Oh my God. Dude, this thing is probably at least like 4 pounds. It's huge. Let's go, baby.
Yes. I can't believe that.
Look at this fish, man. Oh my God. I'm absolutely shaking after that. Oh, that was incredible. We've been putting in the work today, just trying to find a spot to fish. We've drilled like 30, 40 holes. We've gone to 6 different spots. And finally, we hit pay dirt, baby. Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. GoPro's on the chair.
Okay, here's another big one.
Yeah.
Oh my
I just don't want it
God.
to bump off.
Oh my.
Oh my God. What's the GoPro? Oh, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Another one?
What the heck?
Oh my God. Look at that fish. Another one, dude. Oh my God, these fish are massive. We're not gonna eat this one tonight, but we'll definitely be bringing this one home. Oh my God, this is unreal. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. This is a heavy scoopish fish here. Gonna fillet them up. We're eating one tonight, taking one home. Christening the new fillet knife tonight. Thanks Uncle Mike and Auntie Amy for the Christmas gift. Beautiful Fire Tiger handle on this bad boy. Wow, look at that meat. Take a look. Beautiful meat right there. We're gonna be feasting tonight for dinner. I heated up some water on the stove before I filleted the fish. So I got nice warm water to rinse my hands in. It feels so good. It's not that cold outside, but now that the sun's down, temperature is definitely dropping and there's a slight breeze, so it makes the wet hands feel a lot colder. I'm gonna oil up some foil. We're gonna put the fish skin side down. Like so. We don't have paper towel. We do have toilet paper. I'm gonna be conservative with this because we will need it. Yeah, what seasonings are these again?
Lemon pepper and herb and garlic.
Nice. Sounds like a good time.
Like a fish herb rub of sorts.
And then, on top of all that, we're gonna get in there with some fresh lemon. Put a few slices on there. That's not looking too bad, is it? Okay, there's bundle number 1. Just perfect. Oh, that is bright. We had a nice night by the fire. Lots of cooking and stuff, but we're ready to head to bed now. So it's not going to get too cold tonight. I think it's getting down to -7, so colder than last night, but we're definitely prepared, layered up.
Ate a ton of food, so burn the calories at night. Keep us warm.
Exactly. We'll see you in the morning.
Up early in the morning again. It was a bit of a colder night than last night for sure, but honestly, neither of us were too cold.
Yeah, I mean, I woke up at 6 a little cold and I had to pee. And I threw some toe warmers in, which actually helped so much.
Yeah, I didn't need any toe warmers for bed, but I'm gonna put some in my boots because it'll just be be nice. Okay, other than that, just packing up tent.
Easy. Easy. Let him fight if he wants to. Let's go, buddy. Let's go, buddy. Okay, easy by the hole.
Yeah.
It's gonna want to thrash a lot. I see the leader. Oh yeah.
Yes! Buddy! Buddy! Yes! No way! Oh. We got him one, let's go!
How's it feel, dude?
Oh man, that is good. That is greatness.
We got him on one. Look at those halos, man. Oh my god. Wow.
That's good feeling.
Let's go, buddy.
Good feeling right there.
All right, let's pack up.
Yeah.
That's it.
Let's get to the truck.
All right, we just packed up all the ice fishing stuff. It was a great day. It's 12:25 right now. We're gonna get back, start the hike. It took us about 2.5 hours on the way here, so I'd imagine it'd take us similar time on the way back. Should be slightly more descents than ascents this time, so maybe we'll ride the pulks. It's pretty nice out. I have a feeling we'll have to stop to delayer
Definitely.
once we start going, and maybe we'll get down to our t-shirts just like on the way here. The warm temperatures we've had during the day and the cold temperatures last night really set the trail well. Made it back to the truck. Air in all the tires. None of the windows are smashed. Thank goodness. What an adventure.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Look at this thing. How'd it feel, dude?
Oh man!
Holy smokes.